Hello everybody, and how are you doing today? In today's video we will add data for various product categories in database by using the admin, and then we will do the dynamic coding and display that data from database in our front page of the online shopping website. So this is the task that we will do today. So let's begin. To add the data, first let's run our server and then go to admin. Okay, let me see my password. Okay, I will add the password and log into admin, Django admin. Now here there is no product data, and I will add that data today. So let's add the first data. I have downloaded some data already in the notepad. Okay, so that we can quickly add it. So the product ID for mobile categories I am starting with 10,000. Next product category I will start with 20,000. So I can add around 10,000 products. So this is, I think, enough for me for this demo as well. The first data is Oppo Mobile. The title, which is below, is this one. Then I have the description. It's a short description. We can add more. The price is 10,000 rupees. Quantity. So this is kind of available quantity at the seller. I will always mark it as a 5. Rating is 3.4, not so enough good. For now I won't add anything about seller ID because we will add this data again when we will create a seller login, and then seller will be able to add this data in the future. But for now, let's keep it. Delivery time 3 days, and then the product category. So the product category is mobiles. Okay, and link, for now there is no link, and that's it. And the image, yeah, image, I will add image. Okay, I have added the image and then save the data. Okay, there is some error. Okay, so now what it is saying, rating has to be whole number. So we have defined it as a integer field, and that's why it is asking me to put a whole number. So let's keep it 4. Okay, and anything, yep, that's good. So let's add another product with 1001, 10,001, and I have also gathered another data for Samsung product, and that the title is S22, and then save it. So I have now 2 product here in the mobile category. So guys, I will pause the video recording and add all the data for different categories, and then we'll come back for our implementation. Okay.